Hi everybody, and I am Arvind Upadhyay, author of the various books related business. I'm sharing that you should do the cold calling every single day to becoming successful in your business. Now, in most of my workshop seminar, I talk about that cold calling is the best technique to retain your customer and talk to them, get them from their feedback and how they are liking your product and service. There is only two way to make money, is that provide someone your service or you sell something to someone. Now if you sell something to someone you can make money, but if you don't understanding your customer properly you cannot retain them and make them for the long term. So the meaning is here that you have to focus on them cold calling to understand their perspective, what they are liking and what they don't liking. So regularly you continuously try to do the cold call to your new customers and make them good contact.